Hi, my name is Sara Masinaei. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to practice a meditation that will make us feel happier and more relaxed. All you need to do is choose a comfortable and quiet place away from distractions. You can sit with your legs hanging from a chair, or you can sit with your legs comfortably crossed on your bed, on a couch, or even on a cushion. We're going to go ahead and get started by relaxing our neck muscles, rotating it a few times, and then rolling our shoulders back. You can place your hands wherever it feels comfortable with the palms of your hands facing upward. Roll your shoulders back one more time. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale and gently allow your eyes to close. Today, we're going to go on a wonderful journey to our own hearts, a very special, warm, and loving place. There are times during the day that you may feel stressed, sad, or even bored, and that is okay. But every time you have these feelings, you can check in with your heart and you can choose to surround yourself with a loving light that will bring you more peace, clarity, and happiness. So I want you to begin by looking with your mind's eyes at a sunlight, a beautiful yellow warm color that surrounds your entire body. Notice the warmth, the glow of this beautiful yellow misty color on every single part of your body. Deeply breathe in the peace and the serenity that the sunlight is bringing to your body. And notice how very gently this yellow sunlight is beginning to change to a very beautiful, soft blue, like the blue of a clear sky. This loving, gentle blue is bringing you even more peace. Calmness is taking over your body to the point that you may even feel like you're drifting away on a cloud. Deeply breathe in this feeling of calmness and serenity and let go. Now observe as this gentle blue light is yet again changing color, this time to a glowing, loving, beautiful pink color. Notice how this beautiful pink color is expanding in your heart, filling up all the space in your heart, pushing out any feelings of pain, of sadness, or stress. Breathe in deeply this feeling of calmness and notice how the pink color is expanding even more to surround your entire body, pushing out any remaining feelings of sadness, of pain, or stress. Pay attention to the fact that every time you exhale, you're letting go of all the undesired feelings. And as you inhale, you're bringing more peace and happiness into your heart and into your body. The glowing pink is now surrounding you completely. As you keep looking at this glowing light with your mind's eyes, begin to pay attention to your heart and notice how it feels happier and lighter and freer. Notice how your heart is now beating with excitement, with happiness, and a sense of gratitude and thankfulness for all the amazing and wonderful things and people that surround you in your life. Notice the feeling of happiness and gratitude for all the care and all the love that you're receiving every day in your life. Take another deep inhalation and know that peace is yours. Happiness is yours. And you can always call upon this beautiful golden light to feel lighter, happier, and more peaceful. Take another deep inhalation. Exhale and gently bring your attention back to your room and back to your day. With your next inhalation, ever so gently open your eyes with a big smile on your face. Thank you for practicing this meditation with me, and know that you're always welcome to practice as many times as you want throughout the day.